Somebody pour me a drink, somebody pour me a smoke. I'm about to get on a bus, I'm about to get on that road. Yeah, I've been breaking my back, just keeping up with the Joneses. Y'all know what I mean, yeah, y'all know how it goes. When it's up on a Friday night, babe, sliding over my way. I can't even think when I can hear them calling my name. Hey, somebody pour me a drink. Somebody pour me a drink. Yeah, somebody pour me a drink. Hey, yes sir, pour me a drink. I'm on it, buddy. Pour me a drink.
Thank you, sir.
Baby, I'm a walking, talking Dear John letter. It's the last time I'm ever gonna grace your porch. Burn it in your brain, take a Polaroid picture. Bet you think I'm gonna miss you, but you'll miss me more. You say you want space. Well, okay, baby, have it your way. In my walk away jeans, I'll show you free. Take a good look, in a second I'll be free like a hippie, free like a bird, free like a bird on a telephone wire, free like a Chevy on a don't look back road. Bye bye, my baby on the radio. Head spinning in the dust I leave. Boy, you ain't ever seen free like me, free like me. This ain't one of those taillights. I've been looking back real sad in the rearview mirror now. This ain't one of those on again, off again. Get a little gone, then reappear. If you think I won't go, baby, hold my beer. I'm free like a hippie, free like a bird, free like a bird on a telephone wire, free like a Chevy on a don't look back road. Bye bye, my baby on the radio. Head spinning in the dust I leave. Boy, you ain't ever seen free like me, free like me. You say you want space. Well, okay, baby, have it your way. I won't lose sleep over your goodbye. I'm free like a hippie, free like a bird, free like a bird on a telephone wire, free like a Chevy on a don't look back road. Bye bye, my baby on the radio. Head spinning in the dust I leave. Boy, you ain't ever seen free like me, free like me. Boy, you ain't never seen, no, you ain't never seen free like me. Boy, you ain't never seen, no, you ain't never seen free like me, free like me.
Every weekend morning on CMT.
We're like family here.
Country music coast to coast and around the world.
This is the greatest moment of my life.
With the stars, no matter where they are.
Y'all get the exclusive.
Backstage at the best tours and the biggest events.
The most interesting people watching that you will ever see.
You have all access pass with the hottest hits.
Debuting my country debut.
Say it a little bit louder.
Tune in. You may see a little.
Hot 20 Countdown, Saturday and Sunday morning, 9, 8 Central.
Why would you want to change the channel?
I think we need a bigger yard.
With our credit?
Credit Karma can show us how to improve our credit for free. Then we can get a place at the bigger yard.
Yay!
Intuit Credit Karma. Download the app today.
Guys, got hair loss? I know what you're thinking. Should I shave my head? Comb it over? Wear a hat? Just stop. This isn't 1970. Keep your hair and your confidence because Bosley, America's #1 hair restoration experts, can give you your real hair back permanently. Check them out because they're giving away an absolutely free information kit and a free gift card to everyone who scans this QR code. Dude, you don't have to look like your dad because this isn't your dad's hair loss treatment. People all over the country trust Bosley because they're ahead of the curve. They use the latest technology to give you your real hair back. And the best part, Bosley's permanent solution is protected by the Bosley Guarantee. Let them show you for free how awesome your hair could look with an absolutely free information kit and a gift card for $250 off. Scan the QR code. Don't wait. Scan the code now and ask about the Bosley Guarantee.
Did you know that by the time the next commercial break rolls around, you can find out if you're overpaying for car insurance? Want to see? Just go to financebuzz.com and immediately compare the rates of over 90 carriers. Emus, Geckos, Ladies and Lab Coats. See who gives you the best price. It's fast, it's free, and it's all online. No need to call anybody. Just you, 2 minutes on financebuzz.com, and your best deal. See if you're overpaying for car insurance. Go to financebuzz.com now.
Do you have a box of videotapes, film reels, or photos that are degrading?
Legacy Box professionally converts them to DVDs, thumb drive, or the cloud.
Legacy Box is simple and safe, with over 1 million satisfied customers.
Visit legacybox.com.
We have assembled the murderer's row of the challenge under one roof.
Battle to Conquer Challenge history
We're about to experience a tsunami.
has only just begun.
It's a whole new game, buddy.
4 eras of legends.
This is a badass lineup.
One
How stupid can we be?
monumental
No one's safe anymore.
season.
This is gonna get spicy.
The Challenge 40 Battle of the Eras. All new Wednesdays at 8. Set your DVR.
I had one say we were done in a Baton Rouge college bar. It kinda came out of nowhere, man, I took that one pretty hard. And I had another one in another town, and I spent a whole lot of nights missing her. Till it all went black, she stopped texting back, and I finally got the picture. So here's to the almost, so close, it's over out of the blues. Here's to the hey, I think we need to talk, and it ain't me, it's you. And here's to the tears and beers and wasted years on the weeds and looking like daisies. I wouldn't be sitting here next to you if it weren't for the almost maybes. Here's to the one that my family thought was gonna make me drop to one knee. And I tried like hell, but I couldn't help my mama loved her more than me. And to all those July crushes turning into September leavings. Goodbyes that didn't feel good back then, it happened for a real good reason. Here's to the almost, so close, it's over out of the blues. Here's to the hey, I think we need to talk, and it ain't me, it's you. So here's to the tears and beers and wasted years on the weeds that look like daisies. I wouldn't be sitting here next to you if it weren't for the almost maybe. If not for the almost maybe. Wouldn't be no all alones, wouldn't be no sad songs, wouldn't be no had enough. Pick yourself up and get to moving on. From the didn't work out